In this video, I'll show you how to show three sections in Microsoft Edge browser. Now, what I meant by three section is like your screen will be divided into three different areas and you will be able to view three different websites in that one particular browser instance. So just to give you an example, like say this is Microsoft Edge browser. What I want is I want three section area within a screen. Say let's assume these are the three section area and I'll be opening the web page in that three areas. So all the three different sites will be opened in three different areas. Now, if you want to achieve that, how can you do that? Okay, so let me first search for some couple of websites. So maybe Cloud Code. So let me search for Cloud Code and maybe this is one of the website. Second website, let me look for Google Gemini and maybe I'll just pick up this one. Okay, so now we have two different website. Now if I want to show them side by side, what I can do is I have something called as a split screen. Now if this option is not visible for you, the split screen, so you will find this option within the toolbar. Now split screen, if you don't find that, click on three dots and here you should be able to find the split screen option. Sure, so I click on split screen and it will show me the left tab, which is this. That is correct. What do you want on the right tab? I want Google Gemini, maybe the next tab. And now here I can see that two different websites have been opened simultaneously. Now if you see over here, I can minimize, maximize, and maybe I can increase the size. I can make it vertical. I can make it switch to vertical over here, and then it will show me horizontally. And I can again switch to horizontal. I can swap the tab, and this is how I can do it. But this is only two. But what if I want the third one to be shown? Okay, let me separate this two tabs. So these are the two tabs. Now in Microsoft Edge, there is something called as a sidebar. So if I click on this Copilot icon over here, I can see the sidebar area. Within the sidebar, you have an option to customize. So if I click on plus, I'll be able to add various applications like WhatsApp, Instagram, Spotify, and these are like the different applications which I can add, like Weather, Expedia, Dropbox, Vanguard, Nike, Costco, etc. Now, what about a direct website? And also, if it is not visible, you can navigate to settings over here. There is something called as a settings, appearance, copilot, and sidebar. Options are always on, auto hidden, and off. Off means sidebar will never show. Auto hidden means if you click on it and if you just move your mouse over the sidebar area, sidebar will show when using the side pane. Personalize my top sites in the custom sidebar, and that's why it shows you the sidebar sites and allow sidebar app to show notifications. So these are the options you have. Now, okay, sidebar is there, but how will I open the site within a sidebar? In order to do that, what you can do, let me close the settings over here. So if you are in a sidebar, if you again click on this Copilot chat, this will, the sidebar will disappear. If you click on it again, here you will see the sidebar. Now you have an option to show various websites, Yahoo Mail, Amazon, TikTok, eBay, etc. What you can do is you can just click on it. So let me click on maybe reddit.com and then that app will appear in the sidebar. Now alternatively, you have an option to just do a right click and click on pin to sidebar. So then this will be pinned to the sidebar. You can also unpin from the sidebar. Now, if I again click on this icon over here, I can pick other websites, right? Now, instead of this, what if I want a custom website, like maybe my website, if that is not visible over here, right? So for that, what you can do is there is something called as a search over here. So if you search with Bing, so maybe let me type in my name, Girish Uppal, and I can see this is my website. So if I click on this, then that particular website is opened over here, right? Now, as you see, this is opened on the left hand side, but what we want is this to be appearing on the sidebar, right? In the sidebar, we just have a Google search result. Now, if I again go back to the search over here, I can see that this is my search, right? So if I just go back, so there is a, remember there is a navigation over here, back, front, home, etc. Now I just go back over here and I can see all the different searches that are available, and maybe I can just go and maybe click on close. Again, click on chat over here. I have an option to click on add plus over here. But remember the one thing which we just searched Reddit for all those previous searches, it will appear over here in the quick access. Now if I just click on open in sidebar, then this particular site will be opened in the sidebar, right? So we have opened this site in the sidebar. Now the goal is to make it three, right? Like we want to show it in a three different section. Okay, let me close everything now. Now let me close this as well. Now remember we have these two sites. Now if we want to open these two sites parallelly, we can click on split screen, and then this is how two sites will be shown. Now if I click on the chat over here and click on plus, then I can see that, oh, I have an option to open all these sites in a different sidebar, or I can just click on the site which I've just opened, or click on search and search for whatever page you want. And then once you do that, you will have a three different window or a section which will show three different websites parallelly. So if you want to maybe compare, then you can go ahead and compare these particular sites. Now two is achieved using the split screen, so these two left and right, and this one is achieved using the sidebar. So with a combination of sidebar and split screen, you will be able to open three different websites in one particular uh, edge instance. Now you have an option to minimize, maximize, as you see over here. So you can take 50%, you can take 20, 80% area, plus you can even control the sidebar as well. So sidebar is completely controllable. So if you want the sidebar option to be maybe 50% or 70%, you can do that. So you can control the size as well. So basically the goal of this exercise was to show you how to open three different sections in one browser instance. So that's a combination of the split screen and a sidebar. So that's it, folks. This is one of the tip in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.